Khan Academy, Divide Fractions, subtopic Dividing Unit Fractions by Whole Numbers Visually. Which image below shows 1/8 divided by 2? So we have two options here, okay? And if we look at the top one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars. And in the next one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in here, we have 1/8, purple is 1/8, and it is divided in half. So 1/8 is cut in half. So our answer is A. Which image shows 1/5 divided into thirds? So here we have a whole bar, okay, and that whole bar is divided into fifths in this section. So 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. So this orange is 1/5, and it's split into 3 different sections. So this is 1/5 divided by 3. Here we have 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. So here our purple is 1/5, but our 1/5 is divided into 2 sections. 1/5 divided by 2. So here we have 1/5, and it's divided into 2 different sections. Our top one shows 2/5 divided into 2 sections. And lastly, which image shows 1/3 divided by 7? So our purple bar is 1/3. Okay, and here our purple bar is again 1/3. So now which one of them shows divided by 7? So 1/3 divided into 7 different pieces. So 1/3 divided by 7. So 1/3 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1/3 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.